Azure Kosmetics, 24K Gold and Black Pearl, Under Eye Pads, Luxury Firming Treatment, 5 pairs. Product Overview Description. Luxury Firming Treatment helps repair wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness. This luxury combination of powerful ingredients contains 24K gold that lifts and smooths the delicate eye area, reducing signs of aging. Black pearl extract moisturizes and restores skin's natural glow and radiance. Extra large pads extend beyond the under eye to treat the crow's feet area. Suggested use: wash and dry face. Remove pad from package. Place pad down on skin and adjust to fit comfortably under eyes. Relax and enjoy for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove pads and gently massage remaining product around eye area. No need to rinse. Other ingredients: water, glycerin, butylene glycol, niacinamide, urea, 1,2-hexanediol, xanthan gum, trehalose, disodium edta, carbomer, triethanolamine, caprylic/capric triglyceride, PEG 40 hydrogenated castor oil, zeolite, adenosine, allantoin, panthenol, propolis extract, hydrolyzed conchiolin protein, phenoxyethanol, sodium hyaluronate, aloe barbadensis leaf juice, ethylhexylglycerin, colloidal gold, acetyl hexapeptide 8-RH oligopeptide 1, honey, royal jelly extract, fragrance. Warnings: for external use only. Avoid contact with eyes. Single use, discard after using. If irritation occurs, rinse with cold water. Keep out of reach of children. Disclaimer: while iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.